Hello everybody, it's Mimi Kirk in her kitchen, in my kitchen. Happy to be in my kitchen as usual. And I want to help you out with something I think is important to have every day, and that's either a green juice or a smoothie. And you can have the same thing every day, but do you get tired of it? So that's why I wrote this book with all these great photos in here and different ways that you can change up your drink every day. This is one that I love very much because it's cranberries. You know how healthy those are for you, full of antioxidant, really good for your bladder and your system, and they're just healthy, and they're just low in calorie. It makes a really delicious kind of tarty drink. I think you're going to like this. This is the page 210, but it has 2 recipes on it, and the other one's like carrot cake. So if you go to that page, you could also make this carrot cake. The spices is what does it for this, but it's quite delicious. And I have several books out. I have Live Raw, which was my first book, still selling very well. It's got amazing recipes in it. I poured my heart out in that, as I do all my books. And then Live Raw Around the World. Mike and I traveled to 7 countries, and he took the photographs, and we bought spices, and we came back and put the book together. Raw Vitalize is a 21-day book that I wrote with my daughter Mia. It is really simple recipes, delicious recipes. It has some more smoothies and drinks in there. And then the dog book, Dog Food Revolution, for the vegans who want to feed their dog a better diet without harming other animals. That is a great book. If you just want to keep your dog healthy and add some of that food to what you're already feeding him, it's amazing. It will do amazing things for your dog. Plus, we have these superfoods in there, supplements and superfoods that you can sprinkle on any meal. You can eat that food there yourself as well because it's human-grade food. It's made the way you would cook your own food, so it's very easy. You can divide it and give your dog part for the week, and you can have a dinner from it. So I know it sounds funny, but it's delicious. We eat dog food all the time. Anyway, I'm going to fix this one drink today. Very simple, very quick, easy to do in the morning before you leave. Smoothies are very easy. So let me get right to it. This here is hibiscus tea. You can use green tea or any tea or coconut water or plain water, any liquid you like. I happen to use tea for all my smoothies now. I'm writing a tea book at the present, and tea is full of minerals and very healing types of herbs. Herbal teas, herbal infusions, they really are really great for you. And of course, green tea, if you want a little caffeine, you can use green, black, oolong, or white tea in here. So I'm going to use 2 cups. I'm going to put this in first. I'm going to use 2 cups of tea. I might add some more, just depending. Sometimes I look at it and I think I would like the smoother texture. So it's got 2 cups of tea. It's got a little handful of cashews. They're best if they're soaked. I did not soak these today, but they grind up better. If you're going to make a cheese sauce or even in your drinks, you don't get any little bits in there if you soak them. You can soak them in warm water if you don't have time, or just regular water. It should be filtered, however, or regular water for about a couple hours. This helps the texture and the flavor. We're going to put in a little hemp seed. By the way, hemp seeds make great milk. You can make hemp seed milk full of protein. This is so good for you, hemp seeds, and good for your dog too, I might add. So I love to make hemp seed milk, and I try to use hemp seed on my salads, all kinds of things, because I just think it's a healthy thing to do. I'm going to put in a half a banana that's been frozen, so you're going to hear a lot of clinking around in here. And I'm going to put in those big old fat medjool dates. I'm going to use 3 of them. You can use 3 or 4, whatever you think you would like for a sweetener. And I'm going to use a cup of this, a cup of these beautiful cranberries. I like to buy, you can't buy cranberries all season. So when I find them at the market during the holiday, I freeze them. And then I have them whenever I want to use them in something. I use them in baking cookies and just all kinds of things. So I think you're going to enjoy that. So let me get to it and blend it up for you. Get myself a glass right now before we start, because I know I'm going to want to have a little of that to show you how delicious it is. Over the holidays, I was serving my grandchildren all their drinks, their soft drinks, not soft drinks like we know soft drinks, but their juices and all the things I made them, teas. I served it all in a wine glass because they just love this. They think that's just the coolest thing. So, and I like it. It makes everything taste better. Pardon the noise for a minute. pretty. I'm going to do it a little longer. Now it all depends if you like your smoothies a little thick or a little thin. Let's see what this is. You can always thin it out. Oh, it's perfect. Oh, I can't wait to have this. Look how beautiful this is, right? You can actually put a little mint leaf in here and a little mint stem, and you can put some ice in here. And cheers to you and your good health. If you want to get any of my books, you can go to my website, youngonrawfood.com, go to buy books. I autograph them and I send you a little gift, a necklace or bracelet or whatever book you buy has its own little gift that we give to you free. So cheers, be healthy.